Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Seiler Wealth Management video blog. Today is Tuesday, October 4th, and the month of September was virtually no movement one way or the other, although volatility did increase from the month of August. But quite frankly, the month of August, there was no movement in stocks. Month of September, there was no movement in stocks. We were down, we recovered a little bit. Now, let me just give you a little bit of statistics here when it relates to the month of October prior to an election month. Okay, so since 1980, in each election year, the month of October prior to the election has been the worst performing month of the previous 48 months. Okay, so now let me make sure you understand this. Our election is in November, that's next month. Each of the 48 months, the month of October is the worst performing month, the one prior to the election, since 1980 of the previous 48 months. So, again, caution still has to be there. We're still seeing some volatility, and I suspect volatility is going to increase. I believe that we are going to see some downside. There's a lot of Fed governors out there talking that, hey, we need to start raising interest rates, so that may spook stocks as well. So I think that you really got to be cautious. You probably need to put a little bit of dry powder, some cash on the sidelines, be ready to take advantage of some ideas. And I've got plenty of opportunity I'm looking at right now, some great stocks that I want to own. I'm just a little bit nervous of buying them right now. Now I see the futures here are showing, again, a flat market. I highly doubt it's going to stay that way. We're going to see probably some volatility again over the next couple of days. You have the vice presidential debate, which of course doesn't have as much bearing as the presidential debate did a few weeks ago, but if Mike Pence outperforms, you could see some big-time volatility in the markets because, quite frankly, whether you are a Hillary or a Trump fan, and it doesn't matter, Wall Street is what matters right now, and Wall Street is scared of a Trump presidency, and they're more comfortable with a Clinton presidency right now. That's just the bottom line. Sorry that, for those people, and believe me, I like neither. I've said this very publicly. I think both of them are horrible candidates. I have no idea who I'm going to vote for, although I do have an idea who I'm going to vote for. I'm just saying that. But they're both horrible candidates. Anyway, that being said, also, a little concern about Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo is now the state of California and the state of Illinois suspending their business with Wells Fargo and their securities department. So therefore, I think in California, they manage some bond portfolios, same thing in Illinois, some securities portfolios, and those two states are now telling Wells Fargo to we're done with you right now for at least a year. So that's the first shoe to drop. And quite frankly, if you have a Wells Fargo brokerage account or securities account, I think you really have to be concerned. I think you really have to start taking a look at that portfolio because who knows what's going to happen. And, not sure if you want to be doing business with somebody that or a firm that has done what they have done to the population, to many American people. So what we're doing is we are doing portfolio reviews, and we have had several. The reason I bring it up, I've had a lot of people call me. They're concerned about their Wells Fargo account. And look, your securities aren't going to go away. They're not going to vanish. But who's minding the store right now? So yes, we'll gladly take a look at your Wells Fargo accounts. We'll see what you have in there. We'll give you some options, and we'll come up with that. Now, in the meantime, I have a great event coming up, October 27th, Thursday evening, October 27th. It's how the 2016 election will affect your investments. This is something I'll be speaking at. It is a wine tasting event, and I'll speak for a little bit. But a wine tasting event, October 27th. We are limited to you viewers out there. I'm inviting clients, but we will open it up to some viewers, so we are limited seating. If you want an invitation for this event, Thursday, October 27th, 6:30. Again, it's dinner, wine tasting, and some great information and how this election could potentially affect your investments. You got to call my office, 407-831-8002. You can private message me, tell them you want to get on the list for our event. It's going to be held at Cafe Murano, which is a great restaurant right there in Altamont Springs by the mall. So that's October 27th, Cafe Murano. If you'd like to attend, please give us a call, private message, or an email, and we will get back to you. But in the meantime, let's see what happens today. Again, it looks like it's going to be a flat market, but hope everybody has a fantastic day, and be ready to hunker down for the hurricane. It looks like we'll start getting some bad weather Wednesday, Thursday, so we'll see what happens. We will be here working for you, and I'm Lee Seiler, Seiler Wealth Management. Thanks for joining me. Please share my videos. It's great information, especially the stat about October being so bad. I didn't know that actually till recently. But again, I'll repeat that one more time. The month of October of an election year is typically the worst month in performance of the market from the previous 48 months, the previous basically presidential term. Okay, listen, have a fantastic day. I'll get with you soon.